In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money from Natwest to another bank. Whether you're paying a friend, a family member, or settling a bill, transferring money is a straightforward process with the Natwest mobile app. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Natwest mobile app. Once you're logged in and ready to go, head over to the payments section. This is where all your money moving magic happens. It's designed to be user-friendly, so finding your way around should be a breeze. Next, you'll want to tap on Send Money. This will bring up a few options for you to choose from. Since we're making a new payment, go ahead and select Make a Payment. This step is all about setting the stage for a smooth transaction. Now, if you're sending money to someone new, you'll need to choose Pay Someone New. This is key because it ensures you're setting up a fresh payment for a fresh recipient. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's bank details. Make sure you have their account number and sort code handy. Once you've entered this information, tap Verify. This is an important step to ensure that the name you've entered matches the account. It's all about double-checking to avoid sending money to the wrong person. With the recipient set up, it's time to enter the amount you wish to send. Type in the exact figure, and if there's a particular reason for the payment, you can add a payment reference. This is especially useful for keeping track of your transactions later on. Before you hit send, take a moment to review all the details carefully. It's easy to overlook something, and this final check can save you a lot of hassle. You might see some fraud warnings pop up. This is completely normal and serves as a reminder to double-check everything. It's Natwest's way of keeping you secure. Finally, once you're confident everything's in order, confirm the payment. And there you have it. Your money will be sent to the recipient's account. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Natwest to another bank. With just a few taps, you've completed a secure and efficient transaction. Thanks for watching and happy banking.